The first thing you will need for this project is a Christmas tree stand. I have provided a full supply list in the description. You could choose a commercial stand like this one I found in my Christmas box, or you could build your own. You will also need some sort of tree trunk. You could use a 2x2, a 1.5-inch dowel, a bamboo stick, a fruit pigger, a piece of PVC, or you can get creative. You will also need branches in different lengths, which I have listed here. Here I have used 1x1 and 1x2 wood pieces from the hardware store. In this case, I just used old recycled found pieces like driftwood, pipes, and lawn stakes. Next, you will need some chicken wire and something round like irrigation tubing, hula hoops, or bicycle wheels. Let's get started. Here are the basic instructions. Attach the branches about 10 to 12 inches apart, perpendicular to one another. I pre-drilled all the holes and am attaching each branch with 2 screws. Now I am attaching the tubing for added support. When all of your circular support is attached, affix a 3-foot cone of chicken wire to the top of the tree with a staple gun. Here, I'm using twine and rope that I found amongst the fishing net to hold the chicken wire to the circular support. I like to find holes in the net to start layering over the base. As you will see, you will need several layers of net. Each tree will turn out a little different. Now it's time to decorate.